Hello. Core beliefs are the very essence of how you see yourself, other people and the world. They are your filters that help process and code information. Core beliefs are usually learned in early childhood and reverberate through your life. As a psychological therapist, if you understand the client's core beliefs, you gain a better understanding of the case formulation and the symptoms that need intervention. The problem is that core beliefs are very difficult to access. They're your deepest layer of thoughts. In this video, I'll explore how to identify core beliefs via the downward arrow technique. Let's start by looking at how to help the client identify core beliefs about themselves. I'll use the example of Anne. Situation, talking to Judith. Anne has the automatic thought, I don't think Judith likes me. By asking the question, what does this mean or say about you, we uncover a second layer. Whenever I get close to people, they end up not liking me. We ask the question, if this is true, what does this mean or say about you? And uncover another layer. I'll never have a close friendship. We ask the question again, if this is true, what does this mean or say about you? And finally, we uncover Anne's core belief about herself. I'm unlikable. You may not need so many prompts to arrive at the client's core belief. I'd also suggest you amend the questions ever so slightly so you're not obviously repeating the same questions as I have done in my illustration. You can use the same downward arrow technique to uncover the client's core beliefs about other people. You simply ask the question, if this is true, what does this mean or say about other people? So using Anne as our example again, situation, talking to Judith, with the initial thought, I don't think Judith likes me. We ask the client, what does this mean about other people? We uncover a second layer, I can't trust other people. We ask the question, if this were true, what does this mean about other people? And uncover another layer, other people will hurt me. So we arrive at an all or nothing absolute statement about other people. You may need to ask more or less questions to arrive at the client's core belief. And finally, we can uncover the client's core beliefs about the world by asking, if this is true, what does it say or mean about the world and how it works? So using Anne as our example again, situation, talking to Judith, initial thought, I don't think Judith likes me. We ask, if this were true, what does this mean about the world and how it works? We uncover a second layer. The world is a scary place. We ask the question, if this were true, what does this mean about the world and how it works? And uncover another layer. The world is a cruel place. We ask the question, if this were true, what does this mean about the world and how it works? And uncover the core belief, the world is a dangerous place. So via the downward arrow technique, we identified 3 core beliefs. It's very important core beliefs are addressed, but we always start with addressing negative automatic thoughts and underlying rules and assumptions first. That's because the outer layer of thoughts are more accessible and can be easily tested with interventions such as Socratic questioning, thought records and behavioural experiments. Most of the time, if we work on automatic thoughts and underlying rules and assumptions, then core beliefs will automatically change. But there are times when core beliefs don't shift. In such cases, you need to identify a new core belief you would like to hold. Then focus on strengthening the new and more helpful core belief. So basically, seeking out evidence to support and strengthen the new core belief. If you found this video interesting, you might want to click on one of the videos that are on the screen now. And if you'd like me to make more videos like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you soon.